Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.